What is the supreme law of a country? A. Constitution. B. Parliament. C. Court. D. Election. Answer A. Constitution. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Sardar Patel. Answer B. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. Which branch of government makes laws? A. Executive. B. Judiciary. C. Legislature. D. Police. Answer C. Legislature. What is the minimum voting age in India? A. 16 years. B. 18 years. C. 20 years. D. 21 years. Answer B. 18 years. Who is the head of the Indian government? A. President. B. Prime Minister. C. Governor. D. Chief Justice. Answer B. Prime Minister. Which institution conducts elections in India? A. Supreme Court. B. Parliament. C. Election Commission of India. D. Niti Aayog. Answer C. Election Commission of India. India is a country. A. Monarchy. B. Dictatorship. C. Democracy. D. Empire. Answer C. Democracy. How many houses are there in the Indian Parliament? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Answer B. 2. What is the lower house of Parliament called? A. Rajya Sabha. B. Lok Sabha. C. Vidhan Sabha. D. Council of States. Answer B. Lok Sabha. What is the upper house of Parliament called? A. Rajya Sabha. B. Lok Sabha. C. Gram Sabha. D. Cabinet. Answer A. Rajya Sabha. Which court is the highest court in India? A. High Court. B. District Court. C. Supreme Court. D. Civil Court. Answer C. Supreme Court. Who appoints the Prime Minister of India? A. Chief Justice. B. President. C. Governor. D. Speaker. Answer B. President. Which fundamental right guarantees equality? A. Right to freedom. B. Right to equality. C. Right to education. D. Right to property. Answer B. Right to equality. The Constitution of India came into force on A. 15 अगस्त 1947. B. 26 जनवरी 1950. C. 26 नवंबर 1949. D. 2 अक्टूबर 1950. Answer B. 26 जनवरी 1950. How often are Lok Sabha elections generally held? A. Every 3 years. B. Every 4 years. C. Every 5 years. D. Every 6 years. Answer C. Every 5 years. Who is the constitutional head of a state in India? A. Chief Minister. B. Governor. C. President. D. Speaker. Answer B. Governor. Which level of government is closest to the people? A. Central government. B. State government. C. Local government. D. Parliament. Answer C. Local government. What is the term of the President of India? A. 4 years. B. 5 years. C. 6 years. D. 7 years. Answer B. 5 years. Which body interprets the Constitution? A. Parliament. B. Election Commission. C. Supreme Court. D. Cabinet. Answer C. Supreme Court. Which is the largest democracy in the world? A. USA. B. India. C. Brazil. D. Japan. Answer B. India. Who presides over the Lok Sabha? A. President. B. Prime Minister. C. Speaker. D. Vice President. Answer C. Speaker. Which amendment lowered the voting age from 21 to 18 years? A. 42 ND Amendment. B. 44th Amendment. C. 61 Cent Amendment. D. 73 RD Amendment. Answer C. 61 Cent Amendment. What does the term universal adult franchise mean? A. Only educated people can vote. B. Only men can vote. C. Every eligible adult can vote. D. Only government employees can vote. Answer C. Every eligible adult can vote. Which part of the Constitution contains fundamental rights? A. Part 2. B. Part 3. C. Part 4. D. Part V. Answer B. Part 3. Which political system allows citizens to choose their representatives through elections? A. Monarchy. B. Dictatorship. C. Democracy. D. Oligarchy. Answer C. Democracy.